Our second exercise, how many bit strings are there of length 10 that start with 1 0 and then either with 0 0 or with 1 0. So let's see that here we have two restrictions. The first restriction is basically that we have to start with 1 0, and then the second one is that we have two options about the ending of the string. So as I've told you, first we take into consideration the restrictions. The first restriction for the two is rather easy, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, because I have to put 1 in the first place, so there is just one option for it, and then I have to put 0 in the second place, so there is just one option for it. So I have fixed the first restriction. There is just one way to do it, and I would write down that I have just one option for the first two places. And now let's go to the last places, and here we have two distinct cases. So here I would apply the rule of sum, and the rule of sum is for the two distinct cases that there are, and the rule of sum is one case to fill it with 0 0, and the other case is to fill it with 1 0. So there are two possible ways to fill these two positions. Another way to think about it is the following. Observe that the last position should be a 0, must be a 0, excuse me. So there's just one way to fill it, and the previous position has two ways to fill it. I could put either a 0 or 1 in there. So I could process it by the rule of product. There is 2 times 1, again of course equals 2, the number of ways to fill the two final positions. And then we have the middle spots. Here there are 2 positions for each of these spots, so 2 times 2 times 2, a total of 6 times, so 2 in the power of 6. My final solutions is to apply the rule of product, so it is 2 times 2 in the power of 6.